here we have a royal kebab. It's gonna cost you 925 pounds, and you have to pre-order it a week before coming in and having this for your lunch or dinner.
So we are ready to make a royal kebab, and we have wagyu meat, special wagyu meat, and we have some organic onion, garlic, parsley, and some stuff with mix it, and then we make charcoal grill cook. When I make this one to ready to cook, and same times I start to make special salads with balsamic vinegar, organic olive oils, and to going with it.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, we use is Japanese fugu meat, and then it is very special meat, as people knows, and then is we use 25 years old vinegar, which is the best, and we use kind of mushrooms, and we use organic onion and organic tomatoes for the salads, and organic special extra virgin olive oil, and special smoked garlic. And yes, when we been here, and then is people, when you start to talk kebabs, and then they says kebab is only doner and then street food, and then after 12 o'clock people is, everywhere is closed, people is coming, going and having something else, and then even they don't know what they eat then, and that is totally wrong. I don't agree for that. And kebabs come from that area, very special hosting meal, and if you have special guests, friends, your home, and then you make the kebab, you are not having kebab every day, and then that's why I decided to make something different and unusual, and showing the people if you have good meat, good vegetables and herbs and olive oil, and then you can make best kebab. City is beautiful. I love London. Yes, people happy to try something new. And yes, they are very much like the ethnic culture, ethnic food, ethnic music, and then yes, it's very multicultural.
The dish includes three different parts. One of them, the main one, that includes the most expensive beef, is kebab on a skewer. The second part that goes under the kebab, that is sauce, including those mushrooms, and the one that we're going to cook in the paper. We will cook it just on the charcoal. We won't be touching it. It's gonna cook by itself by circulating the hot air. And then the third part of it that includes the royal kebab is salad. Salad made of only purely fresh ingredients, including tomatoes, red onion, some peppers, and some herbs. Yeah, so the dish itself is ready. We will put it first on the fire, and then kebabs we will start to cook them just in the middle when the bottom dish will be prepared almost, because those one will be ready very quickly because it's a Wagyu beef. We can't afford ourselves to overcook it. Yeah. Shall we?
Because we are here, then we are here. You know, we have queen. We have to call something, you know, reference for this country. Hat is colorful. That means mold is very beautiful, and you can able to share all good things together and make yourself, other people is happy then. And white always clean your heart, your mind, and everything. That is the symbol of that. And whatever you work hard, and then you try to make two people happy. Make sure is you be still nice and polite person, and that's without shoes. That means that.